is the how do you differentiate from the CLPU to microbial keratitis. So here, so if you see the CLPU, the symptoms will be much lesser than the microbial keratitis. So that's one of the key factors what you have to look for. And the clinical feature when you talk about signs. So here, so as I discussed, the CLPU will have certain kind of the typical features on the cornea, how the infiltrate looks like that. So one of the major thing what you have to look for it. So the infiltrate which is there small, round, circular, around 1 to 1.5 mm, and which is on the peripheral area. That is the thing where you have to look for. And the congestion will be localized and the lead edema unusual it can be. But when it comes to the microbial keratitis, the infiltrate location could be anywhere. It could be paracentral or it could be peripheral anywhere, and shape of the infiltrate also irregular, and it could be larger than 1.5. So these are the changes which comes, and severe form of the congestion which is on the lid edema. So that with this you can differentiate which will be the MK and the CLPU. And so because these clinical kind of the skills you should develop, because if it is you suspect the MK, then immediately you have to refer them to ophthalmologist so that the treatment can be start and then it can be resolved much in a lesser period and restore the vision. So that's the differentiation factor.